Welcome to my YouTube channel, Laboratory Equipment. In this video series, I am going to discuss about laboratory equipment. Here I have selected three laboratory equipment: beakers, test tubes and boiling tubes. First laboratory equipment, beakers. Here you can see pictures of beakers. Beakers are glass cylinders used for mixing and heating chemicals. They are usually made of a type of glass that can withstand with high temperatures. The diameter of a beaker is the same from top to bottom. While many beakers do have markings on the side indicating volume, these markings are only approximate volumes. They should not be used for measuring exact volumes. Most beakers have a spout, while there are beakers without spouts too. Beakers are in different sizes, hence it is necessary to select the appropriate beaker depending on the volume of the liquid to be measured. Now the second laboratory equipment, test tubes. Here you can see the appearance of test tubes. The test tube, also known as a culture tube or sample tube, it is a common piece of laboratory glassware, open at the top, usually with a rounded U-shaped bottom. Test tubes are widely used by chemists to hold, mix or heat small quantities of solid or liquid chemicals, especially for qualitative experiments and assays. A test tube filled with water and upturned into a water-filled beaker is often used to capture gases. Examples in electrolysis demonstrations. Culture tubes are often used in biology for handling and culturing all kinds of live organisms such as molds, bacteria, seedlings, plant cuttings, etc., and in medicine and forensics to store samples of blood or other fluids. Test tubes are usually held in special purpose racks, clamps or tanks. Then third laboratory equipment, boiling tubes. This is the appearance of boiling tubes. The boiling tube is a cylindrical vessel used to heat substances strongly in the flame of a Bunsen burner. A boiling tube is essentially a scaled-up test tube, being about 50% larger. They are designed to be wide enough to allow substances to boil violently as opposed to a test tube, which is too narrow. A boiling tube can explode out of the end of test tubes when they are heated, as there is no room for bubbles of gas to escape independently of the surrounding liquid. Boiling tubes are made from borosilicate glass that can withstand high temperatures. That's the end of the video. Thank you.